Uh, 24-25 season with women's soccer. This is my first year, really excited. Something I didn't think I would be doing, and it's come at a great time. I think it's a great opportunity for us to build the girls program and get them to some winning ways. We've had a great success with the guys program, and we're going to kind of keep to the same model. Lucky enough, we got a great area, great talent base. We've really brought in some really great young girls and girls that can really help and improve the program. And yeah, we're just super excited. We've already started. We had a great result the other night against a really strong Cerritos program that turned their program around the last year or two. So yeah, we've been unfortunate with some injuries, a couple ACLs, something that we're trying to get over, and once we do that, I think the program will be flying. We've got some girls recruited for next year, some commitments, and so the program is looking strong, and again, just so excited for this opportunity. I'm gracious for the school and the administration to give us this chance. One thing I want to talk about is our staff. I have a fantastic young staff of females. Mimi Rangel from Legends. She's Long Beach State, All-American, an incredible player, coach, local legend, and someone that is going to be huge to this program. Jessica Yamas, Cassie Massey, two other girls that I've got to know over the years, and again, we're very excited. So here we go.